Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just got home from work. It's Tuesday night and it's about 6:15. I'm gonna just do an evening vlog tonight. I just want to show you what I'm gonna make for dinner, what I'm gonna do when I get home from work. And yeah, so I'll just kind of take you guys with me tonight, and I hope you guys like this video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and let's get into it. So for dinner, I'm gonna make chili in my Instant Pot. So I have all the ingredients. I just cut the sweet potato and the onion. I'm gonna make, I guess, turkey chili. It calls for beef, but I'm doing turkey. So here's the ingredients. And then I'm just gonna make sure I have everything. I'm gonna stick it in the Instant Pot and then cook it. Okay, here's what my turkey chili looks like. I'm just gonna put the lid on. And then it says to cook it for 20 minutes. So I click the chili. Where is chili? Right here. I don't know about you guys when you cook, but for me when I cook I literally make the biggest mess, and I think this is why I kind of hate cooking, because now I have this ginormous mess to clean. I just made the chili. It's cooking right there, and I'm gonna make this for Taylor. I can't eat it because it's not gluten-free, but I'm such a good wife and I make him glutinous cornbread that I can't even eat. This was my April Fool's prank to Taylor. He totally caught on, but I thought it was hilarious, and I saw this on Facebook. So it's 3% milk, seedless strawberries, wheat thins in the blue box, unsour cream, and organic Oreos. And the part that he was like, this is not real, was the organic Oreos. He was like, if you think eating organic Oreos is gonna make them healthy, you're wrong. So it kind of gave it away, but I thought that my prank was pretty funny. Oh, my dinner's done. Okay, I'm always so scared to press the vent. I always feel like it's gonna explode. Got it! Well, I'm gonna eat some chili. Let me show you what it looks like. So I've never made it with turkey before, but here's what it looks like. I just redid my cute little shelf in my kitchen. I'm really tempted. I saw these really pretty blue Easter eggs at Sprouts that I want to put in here, but then I'm like, I'll eat the sugar, so I probably shouldn't do that. But here's my cute little setup. Now that I'm in the organizing mode, I think I'm going to organize this guy, because I have all this stuff up here and it doesn't have a home, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've definitely showed this cupboard before, but I just love the white lids, the mason jars. I know I've mentioned that a million times. I'm just gonna take everything out of this shelf and then I'm gonna organize it again. Let me see. And this right here is why I'm never bored. It's because I always find something to organize when I'm supposed to be having a relaxing night. But I had this giant jar of organic coconut flour, and there's no way I'm gonna eat all of this. So I'm gonna transfer it from here, well, I already transferred it, into a mason jar. And then I'm gonna write on it with this paint pen. So this is the pen I use for writing. It's just a Sharpie paint pen, and I use the color white. And I'm just gonna write organic coconut sugar right on here. And I didn't realize when I bought this marker that obviously white on white is really hard to see, so maybe next time I'll get a different color, but for now it will do. here's my other shelf, my baking shelf. So I have nutritional yeast, PB2, poppy seeds, chocolate PB2, pumpkin seeds, erythritol, garlic salt, coconut flour, almonds, cacao powder, paleo pancake mix, maca powder, mini chocolate chips, and then in the back here, this is hemp seeds, arrowroot powder, tapioca flour, organic coconut sugar, cacao nibs, and popcorn kernels. And then up here is all my baking stuff. So I have my Lily's chocolate chips, gluten-free brownie mix. I have gluten-free flour behind that. Here's all my little oatmeal packets, cacao powder, baking powder, baking soda, sprinkles, vanilla, and all that good stuff right there. I love this shelf. It brings me so much joy. So I shouldn't have started organizing because now I'm on to my junk drawer. I have a ton of stuff that I want to put back. It was so messy and cluttered, so I have started organizing everything. I've also done this cupboard. It's not like anything amazing, but it looks much better. Hey, what can you do? Here's my little junk drawer, and I got these little dividers at the Container Store. So I'm just gonna start getting ready for bed. I'm gonna wash my face. I have my Taco Bell / Fall Out Boy t-shirt on that Taylor got me from a concert. It's very soft, but it's very big. So I'm just gonna start getting my face wet. I'm gonna take this oil makeup remover and just put it on a cotton pad and make sure I have nothing left on my face. I'm just gonna use my favorite toner, Thayer's Witch Hazel. And again, I'm still getting through the cucumber. Do not get the cucumber. And then I'm gonna take this Now, it's the Now Solutions Rosehip Oil, and I think I just got it from Natural Grocers or Whole Foods. Rosehip oil is good for like scarring and stuff, and right now I have a lot of scars. A lot of like acne scars, just little ones, but like right here, one on this side, and then on my forehead. And I'm just not a fan. I'm gonna do this guy. Weleda Skin Food. Just a little because it's really thick. And I don't put it on my nose because my nose always has like, it's always oily when I wake up. So I don't think my nose needs it. Okay. My skincare is done. I'm gonna take my contacts out and put my glasses on, and then I'm ready to get in bed. Okay, so now that my skin is clean, I'm still waiting for Taylor to get home. I'm just about to get in bed as soon as he gets home. But I want to show you guys, I'm obsessed with this mat. I take my shirt and my bottoms off and I just lay on this mat every single night, and it puts me to sleep so quickly. So if you can see, they're like little spikes, and it kind of hurts when you first start, but I do it on my bed. It makes it a little softer. You can put it on the floor and it makes it more intense, but this thing is amazing and it puts me to sleep every single night. So I have my Crane humidifier. Alright, well that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.